I keep getting water dripping over here. It comes out of this hole because I think the water condensates inside that pipe and it leaks out a couple different places. So I drilled that hole so it only leaks out in that one place. And so it drips over here now, but the problem is this stuff gets wet because it kind of splashes out of this bowl a little bit. And all these towels is all wet now, which is no good. And you know, it's hard to guess exactly where this has got to go. So what I want to do is build a hanging platform I can put this bowl on and then hang it from the pipe. So I've got this piece of wood that's the right size. We're going to drill 4 holes in it around the in the corners. We'll go with this bit, and I'm going to put some hooks into it. One, 2, 3, 4. So let's drill the holes. Okay, now I'll put the hooks in. Okay, now I'm going to go into my pile of old wire and I'm going to grab some wire, and we're going to make 2 pieces of wire here. I'm going to say we're going to need about, actually, you know, is there something else that I could use instead? That's kind of a long piece. So let me see if I can find a shorter piece. Oh, you know what I'll use? I'll use this piece of metal right here, because I don't foresee any other use for this. Gosh, where's that metal? I'm going to use this wire. I don't really foresee having any other use for this wire. It's been sitting over there for years. This wire I could see using it for something else. So we'll keep that for an electrical project. But this we can use for this project. Don't need this on there anymore. That could be useful. We'll keep that. So it's going to have to hang kind of just like this off of that pipe. So maybe we'll go like that, and we'll go, that's almost half. I'm going to guess and say I want it that much of the way down, so let's cut it halfway there and cut it the same length over here. So we'll have a little bit left over, but that's fine. Oh, I got something that'll cut this. Well, the pliers may cut this because of the way the cutting mechanism works on the pliers. Jeez, who would have thought the hardest part of this would be cutting it in half? Okay. Oh, I gotta cut it again. Cut it halfway down. Should be right about here. Yeah, it might have worked for this as 10 snippers. All this trouble just because I thought I may use that wire for something else. Good grief. Should I just use that stinking wire? Okay, so now, let's see here. I have to put a hook of some kind on the end of this. Let's see if I can do that. It's not really going to stay. See if I can make a hook of some kind on the end of this. I think that may be adequate. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, so we got our wire here, and this should be able to go over the duct and just kind of hang like this, and then it'll hold the water. So let's get this up here. Jeez, it's very bright up there. Okay, there's that. We'll take our bucket of water here and slip that on there like that, and that should now just sit there and collect the water. And it shouldn't, you know, the water drops aren't going that far anymore, so it shouldn't be making a mess down below. It's been a problem for almost a decade. I don't know why I just thought to do that today.